Hi Lisa. This is how I do my babies when they're this little. I just take my clippers and come down the sides of their face. Now these guys are 2 weeks old today. This little girl here has her eyes open. She's being very good. Other than that, there really isn't much more that I do. It's more just just kind of give them a quick little trim here. I think the younger you start trimming, letting them get used to the sounds and the feeling, the better off they are. So, and then I can tell what faces look like. She's being very good. So, that's it.